Hello everyone, my name is Angelica and I'm a citizen developer as well as a developer advocate at Dasha, and I would like to personally welcome you. So to tell you a little bit about our company, Dasha is a conversational AI as a service platform for developers, and the best part is, as a developer, you don't need to have any prior knowledge or experience with machine learning or artificial intelligence altogether in order to build fully conversational, human indistinguishable conversational AI experiences and apps. So, in order to show you the capabilities of conversational AI, and of course Dasha in particular, I would like to showcase you this insurance claims automation live demo in our new development, which is Dasha Playground. So without further ado, let's give it a go.
Hello, thank you for calling Acme Insurance Claims Helpline. My name is Dasha. I will be your artificially intelligent agent today. Can you please introduce yourself?
Hi, my name is Angelica Grunberg.
Pleased to meet you, Angelica. How can I help you today?
I would like to check my policy details, please.
Can you please share the policy number you'd like to check?
2221337.
Thank you. Let's make sure I got the number correctly. 2221337. Is this right?
Correct.
Okay, let me see here. It looks like this is a valid policy number, and there is currently one active claim associated with this policy number. Is there anything else I can help you with today?
Can you tell me the status of my claim, please?
It looks like the claim is due to be resolved on August 31st. You can redeem it if you like. Is there anything else I can help you with today?
Yeah, go ahead and redeem it, please.
Absolutely. It looks like there is a bank account tied to your account with us. With your sign off, we will refund the claim value to your account. Would you like me to initiate this process?
Yes, sure.
Great. Refund process initiated. You should receive your money in 3 to 5 days. Anything else I can help you with?
Nope. That's it.
I'm glad I could be of help. How would you rate our interaction on the scale of 0 to 10?
I'd give it a 10.
Thank you for such a high rating and thank you for your time. Please call back if you have any more questions. Bye.
Bye. So that's it for the demo. I hope you guys loved it as much as I love it. So moving on, I would like to tell you a little bit about the files you'll be using. Primarily, it's going to be 4 files. And I would like to tell a little bit about each one of them. So bear with me. So the first one is main DSL. Your main DSL file is the Dasha scripting language file. And Dasha script is a domain-specific language developed by us specifically to create human-like conversational AI apps. So in this file, you'll write the conversational structure itself, as you can see with nodes and digressions here. So the second file, moving on, is data.json, and you'll be using it a lot. So, like I said, you don't need to have any prior knowledge or experience with AI. However, you can provide datasets to train Dasha neural networks to make use of them for your intent right here, and named entity recognition, which is right here, entities. We call it entities. So, just to give you an example, under the name right here, you don't see Angelica Greenberg, and remember I called myself Angelica Greenberg. There's nothing of the sort. So the third file you'll be using quite a lot is index.js, and or any other JavaScript service-side JavaScript file if you want to integrate Dasha into an existing Node.js application. So here's where you require the use of Dasha SDK, and it lets you make the use of the Dasha API to set up a connection up to Dasha Cloud. So basically, when you launch a Dasha conversation, the content of your app folder, right here, including the main DSL and the data.json files, loaded up to Dasha Cloud where they're executed. And the latest version of your app is in the cloud and lets you use your apps through an integration service like Zapier, for example, or any other one that you use or prefer. So anyways, I could talk about it forever, on and on and on. So please check out our YouTube channel as well as our blog on our website. We have tons of content and extremely cool and useful, which is, the most important thing, demos, both video and text tutorials. So check it out. And also be sure to sign up and activate your API key, and do join our developer community Slack. So thank you so much for your attention. welcome once again. I can't wait to see you in Slack and talk to you. Okay? Till next time. Bye bye. Thank you.